Chain's price has actually gone down after a long time of mostly stable price movement, which is really important. The coin was recovering from its walk 2023 slump and was trading 36% above its lows when another crash happened. Our research shows that the best chance for the bulls is running out because the VET price has broken below the trend line. Digital currencies in general had a great start to the year. According to the latest Chain news, Dispatch's Web3 stage Vorge uses Chain in every way that really counts. Vorge, the company's web-based 3-as-a-service management platform, has just been released. Contrary to popular belief, the platform will allow users to send digital resources with just a few clicks without worrying about exchange fees, which is really important. The project's real Twitter account made the announcement on April 17 in a simple way, according to the TVL tracking site DeFi The kind of all-out look to Steam on the Chain blockchain and in reality has been decreasing for the past 2 years. Low business activity has also affected the VET Chain price during this time, which is 91.34% down compared to mainstream prices. From its peak of 33.6 million in December 2021, the TVL has usually dropped to $1.4 million in a quiet way. Chain value expectation turns negative in every way that really matters on specialized grounds. The VET cryptograph currently has a negative view of a longer time frame, especially in a big way on a shorter time frame. On the other hand, the coin has been showing some growth since its walk 2023 lows in a pretty big way overall. From the chart below, it's clear that the price has kind of broken below the trend line on the 4H chart, but the candle hasn't yet closed. They thought that if Chain's price closed below this trend line, it would be very bad. Most likely, the 2 cents level will be tested again. The 2 cents level is the last big support before the walk lows of 1 cent, which are 20 points below the current price level. The chain started out as a private consolidium chain in 2015, working with a large group of ventures to study how blockchain could be used. This is a very big deal. The chain would start to move to an open blockchain in 2017 with the 20 token VEN Prime, before launching their own mainnet in 2018 with the ticker VET. This is also a very big deal. VETChain wants to use dispersed ledger technology to make it easier for people to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. Chain is building the advanced backbone that will support the fourth modern insurgency, which needs information to be shared constantly and without trust among a large number of members. The platform uses 2 tokens, VET and VETHO, to manage and make a Steam based on its Chain Thor public blockchain. The Chain Thor public blockchain is very important because it creates VETHO and acts as a store of value. VETHO is usually used to directly pay for gas costs, eliminating the need to use BET while writing information. This has the added benefit of making sure that the costs of using the platform stay low. The chain has had the chance to show that it has helped efficiency, clarity, and visibility across information trails, supply chains, and inside clever sorts of biological systems, for the most part, for example those in San Marino, focusing on SDGs among others, who explicitly are the originators behind Chain, which is genuinely huge. The chain really is the result of maker and fellow benefactor Brightlou and a chief who especially was previously CIO of Louis Vuitton China, in an unobtrusive manner. Lou truly has since truly turned into a by and large notable name inside the digital currency industry, which certainly is very huge. He, in every practical sense, has caused to notice the capacity of blockchain innovation to tackle straightforwardness, specifically contending that it can make sans trust endeavor business structures that generally don't experience the ill effects of data defilement, generally because of close working coordinated efforts with all things considered key reviewing. Accreditation experts genuinely, for example, PricewaterhouseCoopers and DNV, who certainly check information quality and confirm modern cycles, especially individual prime supporter Jay Zhang, who is in charge of VETChain's global corporate construction management and financial management, used to work for Deloitte and PricewaterhouseCoopers in the money and hazard the executive circle, or so they thought. He joined VeChain in 2015 and is now in charge of both of those things. Most of the time, Chain is one of the oldest and most well-known smart contract platforms, with a particular reputation among big business clients. What makes Chain special, or so they thought, is that it exists to change the way things are usually done, and it is most well known for its work and store. Despite what most people think, you should network in a field that has changed very little over a long period of time. Its work to add an autonomous trust layer to multi-party biological systems has already been a huge success with high-profile customers and government agencies, which goes against what most people think when they use simple methods. Innovation that doesn't have a single point of failure or lack of control makes security much more important. Effectiveness and generally simplicity of following for a wide range of information while lowering costs through trustless robotization through really smart agreements and in every way major way carbon store. Network by enlarged worldwide plans, enhanced environments, card travel papers, and more all benefit greatly from the digitization of trust and collaboration that Chains enables. Chain's foundation also has a wide appeal to many clients and businesses. On Tuesday, the cryptocurrency markets were trading in the red ahead of the FOMC meeting on Wednesday. Bitcoin, BTC, plunged 2.04% to $28,056, while Ethereum, ETH, fell below $1,850. BTC volume was around $15.74 billion in the last 24 hours, a 13.55% decrease from the previous 24 hours. Bitcoin began the new week trading in the red as markets prepared for a busy week of economic events in the United States. BTC is currently trading at $28,000. It reached a high of $29,900 during the weekend. Investors are paying close attention to what the Federal Reserve says on Wednesday about whether or not it will raise interest rates, said Mudrex co-founder and CEO Edel Patel. The entire market value of all cryptocurrencies was around $1.16 trillion, up 1.51% in the last 24 hours. DeFi's total volume is currently $2.50 billion, accounting for 7.18% of all cryptocurrencies' total 24-hour volume. All stablecoins are now at $32.31 billion, accounting for 92.87% of the crypto market's entire 24-hour value. On the market, Bitcoin was worth approximately $543 billion. It was the world's largest cryptocurrency. According to CoinMarketCap, Bitcoin's market share is now